Iran is flexing its muscles in the region. First, it held war exercises near the Azerbaijan border. Now it has warned Israel over its presence in the country. In our next report, we take a look at what is Iran's endgame here.
This is Iran and Azerbaijan. The two share a 700-kilometer border. The countries have enjoyed cordial relations, but war games have now driven them apart, stoking flames of enmity in the region. It started last year with the Nagorno-Karabakh War. The 44-day war marked a significant victory for Baku. Armenia handed over much of the conflicted region to Azerbaijan. This changed everything between Baku and Tehran. Earlier, much of Iran's shared border was under Armenia's control. Now, this border area belonged to Azerbaijan. Frustrated by Iran's support to Armenia, Baku cracked down on smuggling near the border. Tensions were further stoked by joint military drills. The Azerbaijani army, along with Turkey and Pakistan, held drills just 500 kilometers away from the country's border with Iran. Escalating the dispute further, Iran conducted military exercises near the border. The West Asian nation went all out. There were tanks, howitzers and helicopters, all firing at targets on the ground. A multi-day exercise to flex its military muscles. Since then, there have just been tit-for-tat actions. The Azerbaijani government ordered the closure of a Baku mosque. Ironically, it was linked to Iran's supreme leader. Azerbaijan claimed that the move was necessary. It said that there has been an upsurge in COVID-19 cases. Iran, however, said it was not informed about the closure. Currently, there are two reasons why the countries are clashing. The first is Azerbaijan's growing regional clout. Baku is planning to establish the Zangezur border. This is an overland corridor across southern Armenia. It will link up the Nakhchivan enclave bordering Turkey. Iran fears that the deal will cut it off the region. The second is Azerbaijan's long relationship with Israel. Iran is concerned by Israeli presence in the Caucasus and says that it will not tolerate any geopolitical change. It is a warning it has sounded, not once, but twice.
We certainly will not tolerate geopolitical change and map change in the Caucasus, and we have serious concerns about the presence of terrorists and Zionists in the region.
While Iran and Armenia may not look like partners, the reality is that Tehran is pretty close to Yerevan. Iran needs Armenia as a crossing for transport, while Yerevan is sticking to Iran to stand up against its neighbor. Currently, there are many factors affecting Tehran-Baku relations. There is Tel Aviv and Washington, the Armenian community in Iran, as well as fears of Iranian influence in the Azeri society. For now, tensions are running high. With the diminishing US presence in West Asia, Iran is pushing for more and more influence. But Azerbaijan is also not backing down. It is strengthening its relationship with Turkey and Israel, a move that Iran views as an existential threat. How the conflict plays out in the coming days is something we will have to wait and watch out for. West Asia Bureau, WION, World is One.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.